All right, welcome back. This is box number 2 of a sealed case. Box number 1 was underwhelming. I don't think it was any good. 3 alt arts. One of them was the blue Ezreal, not the purple one. And I don't know. I don't think it was very good. But yeah, you know. We're here to get our play sets of everything, so we're okay. But I did get 1 Draven, 1 Rengar, 1 Switcheroo, which they're not worth much, but they're still cards I need. So when I get cards I need, then I don't have to go buy them, even if they're $1, it makes me happy. So, all right. So yeah, let's see. First full common and a longsword and a sivir. Ooh, yes! I need more purple runes. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, I was complaining about that. Hell yeah, so that's already worth it. Unfortunately, it does take up a spot of alt arts, so. There seems to almost be 1 alt art rune in every box, I think. First uncommon foil. The battleground. And a bard and Mr. J. Alright, so I need another Draven, another Rengar, another Switcheroo. Well, technically 2 more Dravens. If I got them in a box, that'd be great. I might actually just stop opening. Alright, uncommon. Sivir, Mr. Felios, and Renata Glask signature spell. Not bad. Would love to hit, haven't hit. I mean, I hit one in a pre-release, but I haven't hit any Spirit Blossom over numbers in any of these boxes on release day. So Hextech Anomaly and another Lucian and Rune. So it'd be nice to get a Spirit Blossom over number. Actually, it'd be nice to get a signature. I've never gotten a signature, so send some luck my way, please. Let me get a signature. This thing has been coming too common. Rumble. Rumble in the jungle. Rumble in the jungle, huh? I think I separated them, right? Did I miss a foil? No, I think I'm good. Assembly rig. Troll Golem and a counter strike. Whose signature spell is this? Jax. Duh. He's in right there. I didn't even see him right there, so like, that's cool. Another epic. I don't know what the signature spells go for, but I think they go for like a couple bucks, right? Probably in the 20s or something. Nothing big, but definitely something. Ruxai. Yellow Ruxai. And Ruxai again, but legend this time. Alright, foil battlefield. Fiora. And Lucian. And Wonder if this is a good one. An alt art Lucian. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. He's got assault. He's 2 might, but he's a 3, no power. Oh, to assault. But if you play him in Lucian, you get assault for every equipment you have. If you, and he's in red, so if you like cleave and, you know, that's 4 right there. Or if you, you know, what is it, blood rush or whatever, twice, that's 4, 5. So not bad. I mean, I think it's a great unit. You know, a little understated, obviously, but it doesn't matter when attacking. Hell yeah. And that's a great looking alt art. It's an alt art, right? Is it an alt art? I gotta bring out my... No, it's not. It's just an epic. I thought it was an alt art. Never mind. It's just an epic. Looks good. It almost looked like an alt art. Uh-huh. I wonder if that one does have an alt art. That'd be sexy. I don't know what it would be. I don't know what all the alt arts are, but... Oh well. Alright. Foil ring. Ooh, Draven. Hell yeah. And switcheroo again. Hell yeah. I'll take that. Oh, that takes care of my switcheroos. And I only need one more Draven and one more Rengar. No, I think I'm done with the Rengars. No, I think I need one more Rengar and then one more Ferris Forerunner, but hell yeah. That makes me happy because I was afraid. I didn't want to open all these boxes and not get what I need. So, makes me happy. Alright, Aurelia. Mr. Jax. Now that's an alt art. Nice. Is it the same one? No, it's not because this one's orange. I think I've gotten this one. Still looks great. So... alt number 2, probably one more, unless I get a 4 in the box, which you can. But if anyone knows who I'm currently watching, Mr. Arzul, Solo Renekton only. And he's currently playing Jax. So. World Atlas. Ooh, Aurelia. Not the good one, but it's an alt art. And I haven't gotten this one, so that is so sexy. That's too bad this is not the good one. This is probably worth nothing because it's just not a good ability, you know? The other ability is freaking insane. But man, look at how good that looks. Oh, that looks so good. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. I don't sell my cards, so... After I get a playset, I'll trade them and stuff, but that's it. So it's nice that when they have value, but it's like I'm not out here trying to sell and make money back. But I do like my cards to have value. So, but in the end, it doesn't matter. Ooh, look at that. Can you see? You see that print line? Look at that. You see that? That's crazy. Good thing it's just on, you know, common foil, but still. You don't want to see stuff like that. It goes all the way up, too. It goes like, it's hard to see in the camera, but it goes up pretty good, halfway almost. Yeah. Well, good thing is on that, not like some fancy over number, you know? Because that would be sad. Alright, let's keep going. I'm yapping too much. It's taking too long. Alright, Treasure Hunter and foil, another Orn, and a Soraka. And a purple rune, but not a fancy one. I'm happy I got one though. I need a couple more. But that's okay, because Nexus packs, that's what Nexus packs are for, to get the rest of them. Especially the new ones. So I can have a variation of them. Alright, the Camel. This is literally one of the best units. Absolutely one of the best units out there. Oh, I freaking love this unit. Absolutely love it. Oh, that's uncommon. Another Yone, which is worthless because it's Yone and we all got them in the pre-release kits. And this Aurelia. Absolutely amazing Aurelia. Absolutely amazing. And the Jacks. I need some Spirit Blossom over numbers, some Legend over numbers. Preferably with signatures. I guess the Legends don't come with signature anymore. So, heck yeah. I was like, this is going to be a shitty pack because it's double common, uncommon, rare, or foils, but I got the Rengar, so that's the last of the Rengar. And I need one more Draven, one more Ferris Forerunner, which Ferris Forerunner seems pretty rare in the packs. Good thing you get two of them in frickin' Rumble's pre-con, man. That's why I bought a couple of them, just in case. Uncommon. And Ezreal. Not the good Ezreal. So yeah, it's Ferris Forerunner, I'm telling you, it's pretty rare. This is what, box number 4 today? Yeah. I've only gotten one so far. So it's pretty rare. For a rare. Foil uncommon or common. Alter and Azir. Mr. Azir. That's just a rare, huh? Yeah. Alright, I think like 6 packs left, 5 packs left after this, I think. Let's see, we need, no, if we get another alt art, then it's a bonus pretty much. Edge of Night, Lucian, Legend, and an Epic Repulse. Oh, yeah. It's Aurelius. I mean, not Aurelius. Oh my god, what's her name? You know her name. Alright, foil common. Jenna. And marching orders. Foil common. Mr. Orn. And Zero Drive, another epic. All right. This is a foil, right? Uncommon foil. Mr. Rumble. And Sterix. Sterix. Not Sterix. Sterix. Alright, 2 packs left. Wow. I like the box because I got 3 cards I need. I got a new alt art and I got a purple alt art rune, so not too bad. I don't know that the value is there, obviously, but that's fine. Another serrated Dirk. Auction and a Rel. And a Sand Token. Or Sand Soldier. Alright, last pack. Let's see. I'm not expecting anything in this because I've done everything in the box. All the hits already. All the... Well, I could get another epic because I think I've gone up to 7. There's only 6 there, so I can get another epic, right? Alright. Lonely Portal. Renata Glass. And Fizz. So that was it. So yeah. Quick recap. The 3, which is normal, which normally what you're gonna get. I've gotten 4. One of my other boxes was 4, so really beautiful looking. I love this. Not worth anything, I don't think. Jack's pretty cool. I don't know if this is the good one. I think most people play the other one because the other one gives everything quick draw, and then obviously Chaos Rune, which I love because I need a couple more to bling out my runes. And then the epics, I don't know if anything here is worth much, but you know, we got Aurelius, not Aurelius, Fioros. This unit is pretty good, so it's worth like 20. I think she's like 20 something. The alt art of her is like 30. Lucian, I don't know what he's worth, but he seems kind of cool for a small unit. Bring him out at 3. I mean, can kill a lot of stuff probably, especially in Lucian Legend playing. Counter spell, so a lot of signature spells in here, right? So three signature spells, so pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Get out there and play some TCGs. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not, give it a thumbs down. Otherwise, get yourself out there, play some TCGs, play some Riftbound. It's a great game. Play some Sorcery, Fab, whatever your heart desires. Make some friends and enjoy your life. Most importantly, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Come back for the rest of the case. I got 4 more boxes. Yep. Thanks for watching, folks. I do appreciate it. Bye-bye.